Hello everyone, sharing a few activity ideas and worksheets for 2 to 3 year olds. This is a shapes activity worksheet. I made drawings and then used colorful papers to cut out the shapes. So these are few of them using the basic shapes and even some more advanced shapes. You can also make a vegetable basket worksheet and a fruit basket worksheet where you cut out vegetables and fruits on chart papers. This is a number activity where we'll place different colored flowers as per the numbers. This is a shape train. We have to correctly identify the shape and place it. This is another shapes activity worksheet. Kids enjoy these colorful activities, so you can do that every day using different drawings. This is numbers and colors activity. You have to identify the numbers and colors. You can also make a puzzle of their favorite song or a cartoon. This is a coloring activity. You can draw different sceneries and other objects and give it to them to color. You can use sketch pens, crayons and even other colors. This is an English alphabet worksheet where I have made different objects and you have to identify the correct letter of the object. And this is a counting worksheet where different objects are made and you have to count and write the numbers. This is a number matching game. And you can also do craft activity. Try to sit with your kids and help them analyze the activity, understand the activity and do it with you, and this will help to reduce the screen time and more involvement in physical and interactive activities. If you like these ideas, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting activities and do not forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.